Good morning, class 6. Uh, that video suddenly I went off and it did not come back again. I guess there was some problem in the net. So here I am back and we were doing the whales. Anyways, you guys are keeping great. That's good. Um, Listen, there will be these exams, I guess, in the second week of September or the mid-week of September or the mid-September, sorry. And there are various papers. They are all going to be MCQs. You have to be very careful when you answer them because there'll be four options. MCQs. There'll be four options, and you have to choose the right one. So this goes for everything, and you have to just go through your chapters properly, not your question answers. If you know the chapter, you have to read minutely because there'll be questions from the chapter also, because all questions cannot be set as MCQs. Long type answer questions cannot be set as MCQs. So there'll be other questions from the book also. You have to read your chapter properly. Okay, so and regarding grammar is I have given you like in the sense you have to study your book, and I have changed few things, like learn your imperative sentences, negative sentences, exclamatory sentences, interrogative sentences. Learn them. What are they? How to find out what is what? That's all. It's an easy test. Four options are there. Quite a lot of interrogative sentences, quite a lot of imperative sentences. You have to choose from there, right? And there are these models: will, shall, would, how do you see? There's a sentence, there's a dash, there's a gap, you have to fill it in with the right word. So that's damn easy. It's just a bit of twist, for you to build up confidence. And sometimes, always book. It's same thing in the book. Whatever grammar cannot change. English grammar I cannot change. Neither can you change, nor anyone in the world can change it. So what is set is set. So that is how it works. So modal cannot change, will spelling cannot change, it cannot become lil, or shall cannot become las. So it's like that. So to cannot become ought, and but cannot become tub. So it's like that. So there will be multiple choices. You have to just answer it, look at it properly, understand. Everything is easy, damn easy, and you can score marks in grammar. But there's a twist, everything you will not find in the book. Like there's one, suppose there's one sentence in the book that fill in the gaps. That same thing is turned over and twisted and given to you, so that you build your confidence. You'll be able to, whatever, whenever you give any type of exams, you'll be ready for that. I'm preparing you for that. It's always not about the book. Okay, so you have to get proactive also. You have to know things from this age. So by the time you reach your class 10, you are ready to face anything you get. Okay, so that's how the training starts. Also in the military, they don't give you the gun in the beginning. They don't tell you to shoot. Even when you are born, your mother does not give you rice, dal and chicken and paneer and everything together to eat. So there are different foods at different times. So that's how you grow. Okay, so it's not only about eating. In growth, there is quite a lot of things. You have to have a bath, you have to take care of yourself, you have to get your clothes washed. Everything is there, right? It's not only eating. So life is also not only studying. Life is not only sleeping. So everything has to be there. So you have to get to know the things. Today you know how to wear your clothes. How did you know to wear your clothes? Did you learn from the book, question answer, or it's through experience? You gain confidence, right? So that's how we have to grow. Okay, so we have to know our CRAs. What are CRAs? K-R-A. K as in Karnataka, K-R as in Ronensar, and S as in South America. KRAS. A as in apple. So CRAs. CRAs are what? These are the key result areas. What are your key result areas? What are you strong in? So what the things which you are strong in, keep it in one box. Now the things which you are not strong in, you have to become more strong on it. Correct? So everyone is running. One person gets the prize. Everybody runs. Even long marathons, hundreds and hundreds of people are running, one person gets the prize. Right? Even third gets one prize. Fourth till the 10th also gets one prize. By chance it can have two people, but in running sometimes two people don't They cannot match together. It's very rare. So you have your own race, you will get your prize. I have my own race, I will get my own prize. Whether it be first, second, third, fourth, last, or 100th, I don't care. But everyone has their own race in life. So you are not running with someone else, you are running yourself. You have to create yourself. If you get the first prize, not only in exams, if you get the first prize in your life, people will clap and say good. If you get the last prize, even though people will not say anything, it's all up to you. You know why did you get the number 100 prize. Right? It's all you. You make your destiny, you make your source of life. Like I have seen many of you children say, like Bharat Mata says that in the class, Bharat Mata, you all know her. So she says, my rules, my life, my rules. Okay, great. That's very good, positive. She's an optimistic, and that's great. It's good, so you are based on that, what you want to do. One day I asked her that you don't study, what do you do the whole day? He said, I do my work. Your homework is done. She gave me a beautiful answer. She said, your homework is done. I may not answer in class. She told me that I may not answer in class. I may be not able to answer. I don't remember. But my work is done and you will see my results. And I saw it and she proved it. And I went and congratulated her also. Whatever you have done is upon your own basis and you have done it on yourself. So whatever I do, it's mine. Even if I'm eating a burger, if I eat half of it, if I throw it away, I am half hungry or I am half full. Right? So it's all based upon you, how you are going to take your life ahead. This is the time you are in class 6 and you have grown up. This is how things go. Sorry I wasted your time, but anyways, I wanted to share this with you. And let's get back to whales. So we were on whales. Whales is it's a very unique animal, or a mammal rather to say. Whales are just like we. Just like we, just like us, or just like we are. They breathe air, have air, are warm-blooded. They give birth to live youngs, feed their young children milk. Whales are unique, beautiful, graceful and very mysterious. They nurture form friendships, innovate. They also have sorrows and griefs, play, sing and cooperate with one another. There are many types of whales. There are killer whales, there are blue whales, there are humpback whales, there is a beach whale, then we have the sperm whale, then we have, as I said, the humpback whale, the killer whale. So many types of whales are there. So we are not here to think about how many types of whales are there, but we just want to know what are the whales all about, because they we are going to read about that in this poem where it says the song of the whale. Trapping and hunting animals cause them acute pain and makes them feel extremely helpless. Yes, we shouldn't catch or make things extinct. These mammals or animals, it's like a tiger in the jungle, a whale in the sea. So it's like that. We should not destroy. They are warm-blooded, they have their feelings, they have hairs also, they can think, they can make friends, very flexible. They have two type of legs as flippers, they flip and they can swim also very fast. They can go up to 20 knots, travel 20 knots in a day. And this is all about whales. So now we'll go to the poem. Okay, and I told you about Kit Wright. I have given the explanation about him, his information rather. So the poem here says, heaving mountain in the sea, Okay. Whale, I heard you grieving. Great whale, crying for your life, crying for your kind. I knew how we would use you. Your dying lipstick for our fainted faces. Polish for our shoes, tumbling mountain in the sea. Whale, I heard you calling bird. Whale, I heard you call him. Actually, I'm not on the book. I have typed it out here on a sheet. So it's easier for me to explain to you. The song of the whale heaving mountain in the sea. Whale, I heard you grieving. Great whale crying for your life, crying for your kind. I knew how we would use your dying. Lipstick for our painted faces, polish for our shoes, tumbling mountain in the sea. Whale, I heard you calling. Understood? Next video I'll come back.